Would you like some worship dance moves to add to your choreography? In this video, we're putting together the final part of the Undertow dance. It's a song by Danny Goki called Undertow, and it's a series of videos where I've broken down the choreography step by step. So this is the final video where we put it all together. I wish we had had more practice times. We put it all together in just a few hours. So I hope you get some movement ideas from this video, things that you can do with group choreography. So enjoy. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Lynn Hayden with Dancing for Him Ministries, and this is Worship Dance Tips and Techniques, where I go over all kinds of concepts and ideas that can help for praise and worship dancing. And my goal and purpose is to help you, the worship dancer, to grow in your call to dance before the Lord. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell. Let's get right to it. Okay, beginning with verse 2. I can't keep your heart from breaking. I am here, I will hold you, love you through the aching. I believe in you and all you are. I don't see, I don't count, I don't care how many scars. And now the bridge. You will always have this place. Nothing can ever separate us. So you see where the other inside person and myself are. We should have spun out to the outside of the other two ladies just because we were closer. Now the chorus, I want you to know, I'd go to the ends of the earth for you. No undertow. Here we come up and over as the undertow could make me let go. forever I'm bound to you. So this next part we learned in the other video, which I can add a card, but it's walking through the fire, walking through the pain. I'm already there when you call my name, and then we do that name part coming together, and then we go back into, I want you to know I'd go to the ends of the earth for you. Now notice Diane went first, and then we followed is kind of like a succession. It wasn't meant to be that way, but I kind of like how it turned out. Okay, during this musical interlude, I kind of saw us doing 4 examples or motions for pain. I love the bridge right here beside you, behind you, never deny you, and love you for life. There's the love you for life. It would be nice if the group were closer together and that we slid over at that point, giving Diane enough room and time to get around more easily. Then we've got love you for life is indication of a cross. So if we were closer together, and it would look more like a cross. Chase down the dark, tear through the night, stand up and fight. I would give you my life. And then it says, I'd go to the ends of the earth. We should have done the contraction there. And then we lift our leg to the ends of the earth. And then the Jesus character does, I would never let go. And then it's walk through the fire, walk through the pain. And then I'd go to the ends of the earth for you. I'd go to the ends of the earth for you. And we're going to get the white flags. And then the white flags encircle the Jesus character representing resurrection. Now, I envisioned having more flags and being much closer. And then forever I'm bound to you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and this series, worship dance moves for your choreography with this Danny Goki song called Undertow. And I'll put a link in the description box below for the playlist for all the other videos that relate to this one so that you can learn the choreography if you haven't already seen the other videos. So I hope to see you at a conference or retreat or in the online school, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Okay, now on to verse 2. We finished off here. Then it says, I can't keep your heart from breaking. So from here, your arm comes down and you're here on a diagonal, and you bring your hands in toward your heart. And then you make a motion of like the heart breaking and pouring out like that. So it goes from here. I can't keep your heart from breaking. Then, now I don't have much room here, but you'll want to run as far forward as you can. And it goes, I am here, I will hold you. So it's kind of up, up, down, down, out, out, in. So, and you're doing that while you're running forward. In choreography, you don't want to stand in one place, especially if it's a solo dance. You want to use as much of the stage space as you can. You want to use more of the stage space. So it goes, I believe in you and all you are. And so since this is from the point of view of Jesus talking, you want to run toward the people. So pretend like I'm running way over here and then I'm running way over there, but you want to look at the people and try to look them in the eyes as you're running toward them and around. It goes, I believe in you, run, 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 and all you are, run, run, run. And then you quickly turn backwards and throw up your hands, I don't see, and then throw it down, I don't count, and then you turn around, I don't care how many, so that same kind of movement where you went in before, but this time your hands are like this, you're going to tear something again. I don't care how many scars, and you're like a scarred heart, and so you're pulling away at the scarred heart, scars, and then make a cross, indicating that Jesus died for you and loves you no matter where you are.